Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 91135E. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to scan document from this printer to the mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the mobile device and your printer are connected to the same network. To scan your document, open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. Then close the scanner. Document face down and close the scanner. Then from the HP Smart app on your mobile phone, then select printer scan. Then you go on top and select the paper size. The actual size is A4 paper. Then go back, source glass scanner, resolution. The maximum is 300 dpi. It's currently 200 dpi. And we want to scan this color. Then you go back and select scan. This document is scanning. Scan successfully. Be sure to remove the original. Then you make sure you select full. You can do this as many as you like. If you want to scan the second document, open up the glass scanner and stick the second document that you want to scan face down. Close the scanner. Then select next. The next thing is you select add. The same features. Then you select scan. Scan successfully. Then you select full. Then select next. The reason why I'm selecting full is for you to capture the whole page. And these are the documents we scanned. You can delete this document by selecting the blue three dot. You can edit it, replace it, or delete. But I'm happy with it. This document, you can save this document to your mobile device by selecting save. Then you select PDF. Give the document name, then you select save. It will ask you to select the folder. You choose the folder, save on this folder, and this document is saved on my mobile device. If you want to print it out, select print preview. Then it will show you scroll down, select to print double-sided long edge. Select all the features, all the information that you need, how many copies, all the pages. Two-sided, color, private pickup is off. The actual size of the paper is A4. Orientation is automatic. You can select more. Make sure it's in document. The quality is automatic, but you can select best or normal. And scaling, fill page. Then you go back. Then select print. So now this document is printing. Very quick. This is document we scanned and printed it out double-sided. We scanned this document to the mobile device and printed it out double-sided. Now I want us to scan using ADF. To scan using ADF, stick the document that you want to scan. You start from this left side. Make sure the information is up. So stick the document. So this document is two-sided document. Now the next thing to do is select scan, select the actual size is A4 source. You select document feeder two-sided. So we want to scan this document two-sided, document feeder two-sided. Then you go back and make sure it's in document. Then select scan. These are the documents. You can see these are the documents. This is the first one and second one. We scan this two-sided, and this is the document. So you can scan two-sided with this using ADF. Like I said earlier, you can save this document, share this document to somebody. We have saved this document, but I want us to print this document now. In this case, we want to print it single page. Then you select print preview. Then scroll down, select one-sided, then select print. This is the document. We scanned this document two-sided, then printed it out one-sided and color. You can also change the color. If you want to change it to black and white, then select black and white. And also I want us to print this two-sided long edge black and white, then select print. So we're going to print this document now, two-sided, black and white. Here we go. This is the document we scanned using ADF, printed it out, black and white, two-sided, printed this one, single page, and also printed double-sided. So these are ways to scan document from this printer to your mobile phone, print document, and also save it. This printer deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.